Welcome to Overland Expo Pacific Northwest. We are having a fantastic weekend. It's Pacific Northwest Overland Expo 2023. We are having an amazing weekend and there is so much cool stuff here. You all know that Overland Expo is all about inspiration and dreaming big and getting out and going and doing things. And there is so much cool gear here you guys just have to check out. Let's go take a look. You guys know I love motorcycles and we're over here in Moto Village and I have to show you what TruckBoss has going on. These guys are so incredibly cool. Let me introduce you to my friend Robin. He's the mastermind over here and these guys are killing it. Hey Robin,
hey guys,
how's it going?
Great, how are you doing?
So good. Robin, tell us about this awesome contraption you guys have come up with here.
Right on. So it's just called TruckBoss FlexxLoader. Great thing about it, it's just super simple, easy and safe way to load your bike and take it with you.
Awesome. Can I ride the scrambler down?
Yeah, you know it. You know how to do it.
Hey, man, this thing is rock solid on here. Man, this bike is rock solid on here. And you guys know I love me some Triumph motorcycles. This scrambler is amazing, but it's not light at all. And between the sliders and the binders and this wheel chuck on the front, this thing is going nowhere. So, fun fact, the Kakadu is the largest national park in Australia, and we've got Kakadu here with some really cool tents. Check this out. Ben, how are you?
I'm good. Good to see you.
Good. Tell us about this. What is it? A cot? Is it a swag? What is it?
It's a cot tent. So two worlds come together as one. So what we've got here is it's an all-in-one folding cot. It'll pop up very much in one go, fully integrated steel frame. You've got the rain fly sitting over the top here, which is a high quality polyester 2000mm waterhead rated flight. Full rip top with our blockout coating. So it blocks the light, blocks the heat. You can use it like this. We've got a nice shade cover with the awning, or you can use it as a full mesh inner.
I love this. This is awesome. It works for the shade. I bet it would work for a nap this afternoon too.
It's all yours, Eva.
Awesome. I love it. This is great, you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How cool is this? So there is absolutely no rain in the forecast here at Overland Expo, but I did catch sight of a very awesome Gore-Tex jacket over here at Beyond Clothing. Let me show you. So these guys make some really amazing stuff. All of their fabric on this piece is made in the USA, which we absolutely love. And this thing just looks bomb-proof. Super well designed, super comfortable, great fit, hip zips, all kinds of good venting, which is awesome for Gore-Tex because y'all know it can get steamy in there, but this is great. It's gonna be available this fall and you know I've got one on order already. So this is super cool. This is Acacia. They only launched 6 weeks ago. It's their first time at Overland Expo and this tent is so cool. The base of this thing is basically built like a paddleboard and you can feel it. I mean, it's super squishy. You can blow it up to whatever like firmness you want. It's got double baffles inside so it's not gonna pop. And then you've got this really awesome tent space inside. How cool is this? So it's 3 different pieces. There's the base that's like the paddleboard piece at the bottom. There's this tent that attaches to it and then you got a shade structure on top that makes for a really nice awning. They've got this one set up in like sleeping mode. I'm all about the naps today apparently. So it's really comfortable, it's really plush, or you can blow it up further and it's gonna be nice and firm in case you wanna sleep on your own sleeping mat or whatever else. The thing's great. It pops down, it folds up, it packs up, and it seems like a really awesome tent. So we're stoked to have them here at Overland Expo. So right across the street from Acacia is Skinny Guy Campers, and these guys are doing something that is so incredibly cool. You know them for their topper, and now they've got a trailer to go with it. Come check this out. Hey Donovan, I'm Eva with Overland Expo. Yeah. This is so cool. You guys have so much stuff going on here. Tell me what you're doing with Skinny Guy.
So Skinny Guy Campers is a fully self-contained truck bed system that's cab high when it's closed for travel. You know, when we started, we were just a truck bed system, but we always all along wanted to sort of combine it with a docking trailer to give an either-or scenario to our customers.
So you got the topper in truck mode, right? And then you have the trailer, which acts as a docking station. So one camper does it all. And this is so cool. Let's check out the inside. You've got propane on board. You've got your Dometic fridge. You have tons of space. It's super roomy, tons of amenities, water, all the things, electricity, a great place to sleep. I mean, what else do you need? And I love the fact that you can take it from the truck to the camper and do all kinds of awesome stuff with it. Perfect for every adventure. So much cool stuff, you guys. I can't even tell you. That was just the beginning of all the amazing gear here at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest. You really have to come see it for yourself. This place is incredible. And as I said before, it's all about inspiration and getting out there and doing all kinds of cool stuff in the backcountry. So thanks so much for watching. Go out and get yourself some great gear, and we'll see you out on the trail.